traveling with just one bag. It sounds simple, doesn't it? But the impact it can have on your travel experience is profound. It's about more than just packing light. It's a shift in mindset. It's one of the most liberating things a traveler can do. It's a feeling of lightness, of being unburdened by unnecessary possessions. You're free to move, to explore, to truly immerse yourself in the experience. Imagine stepping off the plane, skipping baggage claim. No more waiting anxiously, hoping your luggage makes it, and heading straight into a new city. The adventure begins the moment you step off the plane. No waiting, no lost luggage, just pure, unadulterated travel bliss. No heavy suitcase to drag. Say goodbye to aching backs and struggling through crowded streets. This is the freedom of one-bag travel. It's about embracing simplicity and prioritizing experiences over possessions. Nimble, mobile, and always ready for adventure. The world is your oyster, and you're equipped to explore it with ease. You control your belongings, not the other way around. You're not a slave to your stuff, you're in charge. With everything you need on your back, you can say yes to spontaneous plans. A last-minute train, an unexpected invitation, no problem. Navigate busy streets and climb stairs with ease. Public transportation becomes your friend, not your foe. You save money on checked bag fees and precious time at every transition point. Time is your most valuable asset when traveling, and one-bag travel helps you maximize it. Your trip becomes about experiencing the world, not managing your stuff. You're free to focus on the sights, the sounds, the tastes, and the people around you. Traveling with one bag is about intentionality, learning what's truly essential, and discovering you need far less than you think. It's a lesson that extends far beyond travel into all aspects of your life. So, let's get you packed and ready for that freedom. Let's unlock a new way to travel, a new way to experience the world, and a new way to live. Your single bag is arguably your most important travel partner, so choose wisely and invest the time to find the perfect fit. It's the one item that will be with you every step of the way, carrying your essentials and keeping you organized on your adventures. Aim for a carry-on sized backpack. This will allow you to avoid checked baggage fees and the hassle of waiting at baggage claim. Look for something in the range of about 40 to 45 liters. This is the sweet spot for maximizing space while still adhering to most airline carry-on restrictions. It's big enough to pack for weeks, yet small enough to fit comfortably in overhead bins. This size offers a great balance between capacity and convenience. Backpacks are ideal because they keep your hands free, allowing you to navigate airports, train stations, and city streets with ease. They also handle stairs and uneven streets far better than wheeled luggage, giving you the freedom to explore without limitations. Backpacks are simply better than rolling suitcases when it comes to maneuverability and versatility in various travel environments. Look for a clamshell opening. This allows you to fully unzip the backpack like a suitcase, providing easy access to all your belongings. Make sure it has padded straps and a sturdy hip belt. A good hip belt is crucial for shifting the weight of the pack from your shoulders to your hips, making it much more comfortable to carry for extended periods. Always test the bag with weight before you buy it. Load it up with similar items you'd bring on a trip to get a realistic feel. It should feel comfortable and well-balanced when loaded. Pay attention to how the straps and hip belt distribute the weight across your body. Prioritize lockable zippers to deter theft and keep your belongings secure, especially when traveling in crowded areas. And a padded laptop compartment to protect your valuable electronics during transit. Don't forget external compression straps for compactness. These straps help cinch down the contents of your bag, making it smaller and easier to manage. A simple, streamlined exterior is generally best, as it reduces the risk of snagging on things and presents a cleaner look. Avoid bags with too many dangling straps, as they can be cumbersome and get in the way. Durable materials like ripstop nylon will ensure your bag can withstand the rigors of travel and last for years to come. And quality zippers like YKK are worth the investment. They are less likely to break or snag, saving you potential headaches on the road. The right bag is the foundation of a successful and enjoyable one-bag journey, so choose wisely and happy travels. Packing for one-bag travel is an art, a delicate balance between preparedness and minimalism. It means ruthless focus on essentials, carefully curating each item to maximize utility and minimize bulk. Every choice matters when space is at a premium. For clothes, think versatile and adaptable. Pack 3 or 4 tops, selecting neutral colors that can be mixed and matched to create a variety of outfits. Consider the climate and activities you'll be engaging in. 2 pairs of pants should suffice for most trips. Opt for lightweight, quick-drying fabrics that can be easily washed and worn. Think about convertible pants that can transform into shorts for added flexibility. One extra layer, such as a lightweight jacket or cardigan, is essential for unpredictable weather or cooler evenings. Choose something that can be easily packed away when not in use. And 5 to 7 pairs of underwear and socks. This allows for sufficient changes without overpacking. Merino wool is an excellent choice for socks due to its moisture-wicking and odor-resistant properties. When selecting your clothing, prioritize fabrics that are quick-drying and wrinkle-resistant. These materials will save you time and hassle, allowing you to focus on enjoying your trip. Toiletries should be minimal, only the essentials. Opt for travel-sized liquids or solid alternatives like shampoo bars and toothpaste tablets to save space and avoid potential spills. Consider decanting your favorite products into smaller reusable containers. Don't forget a small, quick-drying towel, a toothbrush, and any essential medications you require. A compact first aid kit can also be a lifesaver for minor injuries or ailments. Your smartphone is your main tech hub. It serves as your camera, map, navigation tool, and entertainment center all in one. Download essential travel apps before you go to make the most of its capabilities. Add a power bank to keep your devices charged on the go, along with a universal adapter for international travel, and the necessary charging cables. Unless you absolutely need it for work or specific tasks, leave the laptop at home. It's often more cumbersome than it's worth. A tablet is a lighter and more portable alternative for reading, watching videos, or light work. Keep your important documents, passport, visas, credit cards, secure in a travel wallet or money belt. It's wise to carry both digital and physical copies of these documents, stored separately in case of loss or theft. Bring a small amount of local currency for immediate expenses upon arrival, such as transportation or snacks. Pack a basic first aid kit with essentials like bandages, antiseptic wipes, pain relievers, and any personal medications. Everything should fit neatly and comfortably into your bag, with a little room to spare for souvenirs or unexpected purchases along the way. Remember, you can always buy basics like toiletries or clothing at your destination if needed, so don't feel pressured to pack everything. With these carefully selected essentials, you're well prepared and ready for anything your adventure throws your way. How you pack matters as much as what you pack. Roll your clothes tightly to save space and minimize wrinkles. Use packing cubes to organize, one for tops, one for bottoms, one for electronics. Place heavier items like shoes and toiletries in the middle, close to your back for balance. Stuff socks inside shoes to save space and keep their shape. Keep quick access items like a rain jacket or liquids bag at the top. Fill small gaps with accessories or chargers. Once packed, cinch down external compression straps to keep everything compact and stable. A well-packed bag is dense, organized, and easy to carry. Master these techniques and you'll travel like a pro. Staying organized on the road is key to a stress-free trip. When you arrive, set up your space. Put packing cubes in drawers, hang up your jacket, and keep toiletries in the bathroom. Use a lightweight laundry bag to separate dirty clothes immediately. Doing laundry on the road is easy. Wash small items in the sink or use local laundromats. Plan to do laundry once a week to keep your wardrobe fresh and your bag light. Stick to your system. Everything has its place, so packing up takes just minutes. No more frantic searches for missing items. This routine keeps your room tidy and your mind clear. A little discipline buys you a lot of peace of mind. Organization is your secret weapon for smooth, happy travels. Don't pack for every weather, pack smart layers. A base of t-shirts and a long sleeve, a mid-layer like a fleece, and a lightweight rain jacket cover most climates. For special occasions, a dark dress or button-down shirt pairs with travel pants and your best shoes. Choose versatile items that work for both city and outdoor adventures. If you need something you didn't pack, buy or rent it locally. It's part of the travel experience. Think of your bag as your core kit, not your only resource. Adaptability is a mindset. One bag travel teaches you to be resourceful and creative. Most forgotten items can be found anywhere, so don't stress. A layered wardrobe prepares you for almost anything. For the rest, a little local shopping and a sense of adventure will see you through. One bag travel isn't about sacrifice. It's about gaining freedom, mobility, and deeper connection to your journey. Less stuff means less stress and more comfort. You'll walk further, explore longer, and enjoy travel more. Style comes from confidence and a few well-chosen pieces, not a huge wardrobe. The flexibility to change plans on a whim is priceless. You're not weighed down by logistics. You're free to seize every opportunity. Try it on your next trip. Pack light, live out of a single bag, and see how much richer your experience becomes. The best souvenirs are memories, not things. True travel luxury is about experiences, not possessions. Pack light, travel far, and discover how much more you see when you're not looking for your luggage.